In this video, we're gonna show you how to connect Blink camera to Wi-Fi. First, check your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you have entered the correct Wi-Fi password. You can tap the icon to see the characters as you type. Then check your signal strength. Go to device settings, general settings, network to confirm your connection to Wi-Fi is sufficient. After that, restart your router. Unplug your router's power source, wait 30 seconds and then plug it back in. When adding your camera in the Blink app, you should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network the camera will be connecting to. And the last one is check your mobile device's permissions. Make sure the Blink app's local network, iOS or location Android permissions are enabled on your mobile device. So that's how you can connect Blink camera to Wi-Fi.